have a seat.
Since I become refugee, then Pandit Nehru choose Kangra, this place should be my hometown. Although that time, you see, we stay about, I think, about a year, Mussoorie. And firstly, closer to Delhi. And Mussoorie, quite a big town. But then Nehru decide Kangra district, Kangra here is a more suitable. So then the political, at that time, political officer of Sikkim, Abapant, you see, since we become very close friend, so when I reach here, I little complain. But then our Pant say, now this place where Dalai Lama's light will come out all over the world. Our Pant mentioned that. So some extent now stay here, very comfortable, free, and first of all, India, religious freedom and democracy. Now this place, not like Ladakh. Ladakh a little bit too high. And also not like plain. And this place very suitable. So now, few decades stay here. I myself very comfortable. The physical condition also is a very good. Just this morning, I met a Tibetan doctor and allopathic doctor. They check from time to time. They come and check. They say, my physical condition, very good. So now this place, very suitable for me. So during those few decades, the officials, local officials, grateful. And including local police, they really take care of me. And day and night. Each morning, about 5:30, I went from my room, and the Indian police, 6, 7, always there. Then I greet, namaste. So we become, and then I always used to telling them at that morning, the toilet, very smooth. I always tell them. And sleep, 9 hours sleep, always. the Indian minister. So within a few days, as usual, we become very close friends. And then one morning, when we met, she asked me, "How is your sleep?" Don't worry, 9 hours always sleep, well sleep. And then a few hours meditation, sharpening my mind so that I can cheat other people more easily. So now this place, last
63 years. 63 years in Dharamsala.
logo there though.
Lo Tukchule Sum.
Ka.
Lo Tukchule Sum. You stayed
Kaze.
63 years in Dharamsala.
Since 59, 50, 60, come here. So I must say, all the local officials, thank you. You provide me very comfortable. Each morning, when I open my room and outside, 6, 7 police always there. Then I greet them, Namaste. Then always I share with them. I wake up about 2 o'clock. Then when I come out about 5:30, I feel very hungry. So I express to them, now I feel my toilet very good. So empty stomach, so I feel very hungry. I have to use my good teeth. You see, there is a Tibetan saying, when child, very young, the first line of teeth, they usually, you see, some kind of expression. Now, later, teeth, not like horse teeth or donkey teeth, but nice kareta, younger logu so.
Nice teeth, like the sheep.
Ka
Sheep.
younger.
No.
Young karbo. Kasol.
Which is
That did
considered like an auspicious.
So they usually pray like that. So that prayer fulfilled my teeth. So some nut or some sort of hard thing, my teeth ready. So I always see mentioning those few police who already sort of salute me like that. So we become very close friend. So now today, opportunity to thank the local officer. Thank you very much. and different place, you see many people, you see greeting. But now here, not week, not month, years. So I really appreciate. Now this opportunity, I want to thank. Actually, on many occasions I mentioned, I'm guest of Indian government. Pandit Nehru chose this place, as I mentioned earlier. So I'm guest of Indian government and stay